you so much. As you join, kindly like the live and also subscribe. Thank you so much for joining. How is everyone doing? Thank you so much. How are you? Yes, you join, just double tap the screen and also like the live. Just double tap the screen and also like the live. Also say hello to me. Key in your hello there in the comment. And tell me where you're watching. Claudia walks from. Tell me where you're watching. Claudia walks from. Thank you for the likes. Hi. How is everyone doing? We have Queen. Hi, Queen. How are you? And where are you watching me from? Hello from Box, New York. Oh, that's amazing. Kindly like the live and subscribe if it's your first time. And welcome to today's live. I'm happy to see you here. And remember, we are a family. So when you join us, when you just join this live for the first time, you become one of us. So feel at home. Feel at home. Hi, everyone. Kindly say hello and tell me where you're watching me from. Tell me where you're watching. Claudia walks from. Hi, you're watching from Kenya. That's amazing. How are you? How are you and how are you doing? Is it raining where you're watching me from? Because Kenya, we have been experiencing a lot of rains and floods at the same time. So are you safe where you're watching me from? We have Anastasia Zilani. Hello, dear, long time. Long time. How have you been, my darling? I'm happy to see you here. How are you? Remember, we have just started the live right now. We are 11, so let's get to 11 likes. And I'm happy that, guys, you are on time. You are on time. We have just started. Thank you so much for always putting that notification bell so that whenever we go live, you can be, hey, the halibuds, I'm happy to see you all here. I'm happy. I'm so excited. Yes, I know you missed me yesterday. I'm doing good. Thank you so much. I'm happy that you are doing okay. I'm also doing fine. And yes, I'm happy to see you here. Feel at home. Feel at home. Feel at home. Also, guys, if you have any specific topic that you would love us to discuss, feel free, bring it here. Yes, we'll discuss it openly. We don't hide anything. Remember, this is our channel, so we can discuss anything you feel like you want to discuss with us. So bring up the topic and let's continue. Mare, good afternoon from Florida. Hi, Mare. I'm happy to see you. Today you are on time and feel at home. Welcome. And also like the live and also subscribe if it's your first time. We have Mavutani. Hello, Mavutani. How are you? I'm great. Hope your day is going well. Yeah, it's at night. Actually, it's 1 minute past 10 in Kenya. I'm currently in Kenya, Africa, so let's continue joining, liking the live, and also we have Loche. Is it Loche or Loke? Hi, my love, how are you, and where are you watching me from? I'm happy to see you, 3 p.m. here. It's 1 minute past 10 here in Kenya, Africa, and I know most of people are sleeping right now. I know for some of you, those who are joining us from outside Africa, I know today it's a busy day for you, shopping here and there and a lot of things. So, yes, those who are joining, welcome right now. Subscribe if it's your first time. And also, guys, bring up the topics so that we can discuss. I'm happy to see you all here. And I'm sorry, yesterday I didn't manage to do live because of some other unavoidable circumstances, but I always come here to say sorry, guys, because you are expecting to see me, but things did not work the way I was expecting, but all in all, we thank God. Yes, that's why we are here. Any question, anything you want us to discuss, Mare, any question you want to discuss tonight, let me know. And any other person who is having a topic. Mola, hi. Even if it's a relationship topic, bring it here. Feel free, don't fear anything. Do not fear anything. Manchetti Sahin, hi my love, how are you? I'm happy to see you here, my darling. How is everything? And where are you watching me from? Your language. Me, I only speak English. Eh? How is your day? My day was good. Right now it's 3 minutes past 10 here in Kenya, Africa. Yes, everything was okay and everything is okay with me. I hope you too. I hope you too. Yeah. And if I'm speaking quickly or I'm speaking very fast, let me know. Right, what am I going to write, my love? You can't hear me. Hi, where are you? Where you come? I come from Kenya, Africa, my darling. I come from Kenya, Africa, my dear. I come from Kenya, Africa. What about you? What about you, darling? Let's continue liking, subscribing. Remember, our target is to get to 10,000 subscribers very soon. We will be celebrating. Amazing, amazing. Let's continue. Let's continue. Ethiopia. Can you see your flag? Ethiopia. Can you see your flag somewhere? Just check on my description. Check if you are seeing your flag somewhere. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, my dear. Thank you so much, my darling. As you join, make sure to give the video a like. Thank you. Hello, I like your hair. Hello, thank you. Thank you so much. You like my hair? You like my sister Lux? Thank you. Jesus is king. Definitely Jesus is the king. Nice smile. Thank you. Do you know Life in Kajiado channel? No, I don't know, my dear, but if you give me a go ahead to go and check it, I'll check. I've been to Kajiado for 3 times and I've done several videos about Kajiado County, so you can go and check the videos. I think I did like 2 years ago. We have Evans Murithi. Hi guys. Hi darling. How are you, Evans? Mackenzie. Okay, I'll check it. I'll check it. If it's Kajiado, I'll check the channel and then yes, I know the girl, eh? I know the girl that is living off grid. I've been admiring her life, and yes, I know the girl. The dark skin girl with a big, not big, like yes, somehow big body, a nice shape. I know the girl. If it's that one, live in Kajiado, I've been following her. But the place she's living, it's so risky. You can hear like lions, cheetahs walking around. My dear, Mimi, with that life, no. Husbands, hi, my love, thank you so much. What is the native language? Me, I can only, my native language. You want to know my native language? Swahili and Kamba. It just seems so unbelievable that she can pull it off. Yes, she's the one. Yes, I know her. I always check her. videos with the husband, and then hey, the life there is so risky, my dear. There are no neighbors, it's just bushes and bushes and wild animals. So crazy. So crazy about it. So crazy about it. But it's a nice place, eh? Thank you so much for those who are joining now. Thank you so much, Mola. You have a nice smile, Aki. Thank you so much, Ivan. Uko wapi wewe? Uko wapi, my dear? I miss you so much. I miss you too, my love. How are you? Yeah, that's the one with the internet. You never know what's the real. Definitely, yes. Uh-huh. Would you like to live in an off grid? Definitely, yes. But in a safe place, eh? I don't know. I don't want a place whereby I'll be like when I'm going on the market, or when I'm going to the market, I'll have to meet animals like wild animals on the way. No. When sleeping, like I can hear that is a lion, that is a cheetah, that is a no, no, no. Not that kind of life. I don't want to live with fear. So the next was let me see the next. I've replied to Kelvin. Mimi niko Timao. Timao iko wapi? Timao. Timao, Kenya. Nanyuki, right? Nanyuki, right? Me, I've never been to Nanyuki. And I'm happy to see you here. I'm happy to see you here. So if it's about the off-grid, yes, it's one of the best live. I'm hoping to. But remember, I need Ikomeru. You know Ikomeru? Oh, okay. Okay, I didn't know. I thought it was in Nanyuki. But in a safe place. Safe place. Another question, guys. On your way to Meru, sijaifika Meru. Sijaifika Meru mimi. Sijaikuwa Meru. Yes, so let's continue liking, subscribing, and also let's continue liking, subscribing, and also remember, even tomorrow is on Sunday and we're still going live to compensate yesterday, Monday, and Tuesday. So always Meru. Always Meru number one. We know Meru of Cat, that is Mira. How is Meru? How is the town? How is the business over there? Let us know. Nice nails. Who did them? Your boyfriend? Ooh, I just love my nails. My new nails. Yes. Yes, he's the one who did them. He is the one who did them because that's what you want to hear. Okay? He is the one who did them because that's what you want to hear. My dear. Nice nail, not too long. Yes, I don't keep long nails, and these are my natural nails. Yes, oh, they are looking so beautiful. Yes. Another question, guys. Remember, I will be here for 1 hour, and that's all, because it's late. It's late for me. Talk about cheating in a relationship, my dear. What is making you think of you want to cheat on someone? Kevin, the other day you were talking about the issue of relationship, men providing 50-50 and all that. Now it's all about cheating. You want to cheat on someone? Mm-hmm. You want to cheat on someone? Very good. I don't recommend those chemicals and gels. I've seen so many. Yes, they are so bad. Thank you guys for joining. Let's continue subscribing, liking, and also sharing the live. Yes, Marimar is saying that no cheating in a relationship, and cheating is not healthy. Remember people are sick out here. People are very sick and they will never tell you. No one can tell you he is infected with HIV, syphilis, gonorrhea. No one will tell you. So you will go cheat for 10, 15, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, and then you get infected. Your life has changed completely. You will be on medicine for the rest of your life. So cheating is not good, and I don't advise people to cheat. And remember, if you cheat on your partner, that trust cannot be there anymore. So why do people cheat in any way? Why do people cheat? Now we are trying to answer Kelvin the issue of cheating in a relationship. I don't know whether he wants to cheat on someone or not. Kevin, tell us, do you want to cheat on someone? Do you want to cheat on someone? There are women here in Florida who was sentenced infecting several men with HIV recently. My God, yes, it's bad. But maybe the lady told them. What I think is that nowadays, if a person is infected with that kind of disease, that person will not let you know, because he or she wants to suffer the way he or she is suffering. Okay? Yes. But many go undocumented. Definitely, a lot of them. Kevin is saying lack of communication. But that is something you need to sit down and discuss with your partner about the communication. Maybe your partner wants to communicate maybe once a week. Or like twice a week. It will depend. Others are busy. But some say that they are busy, of which I don't think people are that busy. If you can get time to eat, if you can get time to go to the toilet, no one is busy. No one is busy. So that is just a lame excuse. Let me call it like that. So what I think is that no one is busy. And that, yeah, terrible. She did that knowing she was diagnosed. But it's very bad. It's very bad. Kevin is saying lack of communication. But me, do you think communication is... Do you think to cheat, like communication, is the key in a relationship? Today is my birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jacqueline. Happy birthday to you. Let us know how old are you. So what I think is that communication, even if it's communication, for me, like that is according to me. Communication, you are 21, oh nice. Be a good girl. Wajiko, be a nice girl as you turn 21 and be safe as you do your party. So, for me, I think communication is not a key in a relationship, though it will play a role, but comprehension is. Because this person, if he or she is not understanding you, the communication still will be the way it wants to be. Happy birthday, Jacqueline. Oh, Marimar is wishing Jacqueline happy birthday. It's a very painful having HIV because of your partner. I believe no one. Yeah, so cheating, eh? That topic came because of Kelvin, eh? Talk of cheating. Me, I don't. Why can't you be? Can you be faithful to one partner? And also one thing before I forget, let me tell you one thing. Not unless the not no. Apart from this disease, we also have some people who are carrying curses. Curses. Let's talk of that. People forget that they think that maybe the HIV, the gonorrhea, the syphilis, those kind of other. There are also people who have curses in themselves. They have carried curses from their forefathers, their grandfathers, their like that. It's a chain. And negative energy. Now that you're sleeping with this person, that energy will still enter you. And once it enters in you, it will automatically go into your generation. I don't know whether you are getting me. Yes, Abdul, hi. Let me see if I've skipped someone's comments. Hi, Abdul. Education in high school, definitely yes. You have seen your flag. Hi, my love. Thank you so much. We have Kilsan. Hi, Kilsan. So, guys, what do you think of cheating in a relationship? We are trying to answer Kelvin. Kelvin is the one who brought up the topic. I don't know whether I should pin it, but no need to pin it. Yeah, because other question I know they are coming up. Father Oluma does not believe in family curses. Let me tell you one thing. Whether you, he himself, he does not believe, but family curses are there. Family curses are there. Let me tell you. You yourself, do you believe they are there? I personally, I believe family curses are there. What's going on? Nothing much. Just someone asked about cheating in a relationship. We talk about it. What do you think about cheating in a relationship? Hi comrades, Claudia sasa. Poa sana. Hebu kuja hapo tuambie cheating in a relationship. That was from Kelvin. Kelvin Gitao asked ask us to talk about cheating and in a relationship, and I want to hear your opinions. What do you think about cheating in a relationship? You as a grown-up person, you as an adult. What do you think about it? What do you think about it? For me, I don't support it. And I've given out my several reasons of why I can't tolerate cheating in a relationship. And do you know that cheating in a relationship does not just come up like once? No, it starts with flirting with several women. You are chatting with Claudia, you are chatting with Jacqueline, you are chatting with Mare, you are chatting with another person. And then you will be tempted to go and meet one. That's where cheating starts. And not only that, it will always start in your mind. I have learned you don't just marry a man. You marry his whole family. So in a way, it could be a curse. Let me tell you one thing. Let me comment something about that. You as a man, when you are married, you have not married your wife for your whole family. Your wife is your wife, and you should protect your wife. Your wife does not belong to your sisters your sisters. Your wife does not belong to your brothers. Your wife does not belong to your parents. Your wife is your wife, and it's your right as a man to protect that marriage, to protect your wife. Because you think that nowadays, like when you marry a lady, the lady will be going to the village to cook for a whole family. Sisters-in-law are there, brothers-in-law are there, the parents are there, other people are there, and she is the only person in the kitchen. No, you do not marry that woman for that family. That is your wife and your wife alone. Definitely, it will lead to murder. I am unwell. Mommy was just saying I as I get to bed. Oh my God, what's up? Quick recovery. Done. Quick recovery, my dear. I'm praying that you get well soon, eh? I'm praying you get well soon, eh? We are going to pray for you. You get well, eh? Hello, baby. I'm late today. No, you are not late. You are just on time. That is Zakir Zahir. You are not late. You are just on time. Good night from Papua New Guinea, Mr. Howard. Thank you so much, my love. I'm happy to see you here. You can see I did not forget your flag. Clap for me. Clap for me. Yes. Hello, guys. Hello, mambo poa sana. You are right, but family secrets and problem pop up after. If your man or woman is not committed, you could land up in stress. Definitely, because nowadays people are getting into a relationship, into marriage without learning about the family they are getting into, all the family they are coming from. That is something I think people need to consider before getting into a relationship or into a marriage. People are hiding a lot of things, as Mare Mare has said. Is it Mare Mare or Mea Mea? I don't know, but anyway, I hope I'm pronouncing your name correctly. Yes. Without getting to know that person, you don't know the kind of life they are living in the village. You don't know the kind of person no, you have to do a research. You have to dig in deeper and know this kind of person you are getting in life with. Eh? Thanks, it shall be well, I trust. Bye. Bye for now, my love. Have a good night. Praying for all that are not well today. Yes, Dan, we are praying for you. Dan is one of our biggest fan here. Every day he is with us. And now he's not feeling well. Let's put him in prayers. Next time, we need to hear about the advantages of cheating, if possible. Number one, you won't hear about it. Maybe if you have been cheating, you give us the advantages of cheating. Because number one, cheating will drain you yourself. It will make you like it will make your partner to lose trust on you, and like once trust is broken, it cannot get back. No, me, not unless Alex. Tell us the advantages of cheating. For me, my circle is so disciplined, so I've never experienced someone who is cheating. How are you, Mom? I'm okay, my darling. How are you, Mr. Hawa? I'm happy to see you here. How is everything? How is everything, my darling? Yes, let's hear from each other. Your opinion matters. Let's talk about it. Let's talk about it. And let me know if I am clear and audible enough, my darlings. My darlings. I hope I'm not skipping anyone's comment right now. So, Alex, we are waiting for you to hear about the disadvantages of cheating. The advantages of cheating. Because you say that next time you want to hear advantages. Me, I don't support. So you better come and tell us. Joseph Karaoke, Jamaica, here we come. Hi, my love. How are you? It's been a while. It's been a while. Which teams are playing today? I can hear noise from outside. With Buloti Maguta. Oro aku. Alex, we are waiting to hear from you the advantages of cheating. But if you have a reason for cheating, well and good, and let it be a reason that your wife will understand or your partner will understand. Chelsea and Arsenal always noise makers. Definitely, they are always noise makers. And Man U. I can hear outside people are making a lot of noise. Today I drank 2 liters of vodka. I can't get off the couch. I feel sick. My dear. Russia. Hi, my dear. What's up? Why are you taking those things? They are not good for your health. They are not good for your health, my love. Ooh, I'm not touching Man U. I am not. Nimewacha kabisa, Joseph. Abubakar, what's up? Nothing much, my dear. We're just having discussion one day there. What do you support cheating in a relationship? I think I should pin the question here. That was from Kevin. Said that talk of cheating in a relationship. Do you support cheating in a relationship? Guys, let's talk about this. And also, if there is another question, guys, bring it here. We discuss about it. For me, I don't support cheating. So if you want to cheat, go and cheat at your own risk. Don't bring people disease. What's up? What's up, Zakir? Karibu kula kuku. Asante sana. Asante sana, my dear. Just the word cheating says it's all wicked. Yes. And some people will cheat while they're like people are like, you will see a man, for example, let's say, oh, I'm not, both people are cheating. The other side, the both genders now. What I can say that you, as Kelvin, you will go and cheat, and your life was good. You were doing well in life, everything was good. And when you start cheating, now your life starts going like this. So cheating always comes with its own consequences. My girl's stressing me. I've invested in her a lot. Ooh. What do you mean by investing? What do you mean by investing? What do you mean investing? Is it emotional investment, investment in growth, investment in terms of support, in terms of relationship itself? What do you mean? Investing in a woman. And just know that investing in a woman, that is obvious. You can't stay with a woman, number one, who you cannot empower, someone who you cannot even make her go to the next level, someone who you cannot support her dreams, someone who you cannot support to become the best version of her. My blue jacket, umekuwa wapi? Umekuwa wapi? How can you invest in someone? It will depend. You have invested in terms of what? In terms of what? Washata nekwega fyutikoru. Good question, Joseph. Yes. So Kevin, let us know you have invested in terms of what? We are waiting to hear from Kelvin. But you see, yes, Joseph is saying everybody invests time. So what's that investment? Maybe this person you were about to get married to, or maybe you just moved in and then you saw that this person is just a potential person who like is capable of becoming a wife. Now you start maybe putting business for her, supporting her financially, supporting her in her growth. So you see, maybe those kind of things. So maybe Kevin should tell us how he has invested in a girl. And if he's talking of a girl, maybe means that this is someone he has not married yet. Because if she was your wife, investing in her is just normal. Some people are doing it. Some people are doing it, and yes, let me tell you one thing, it is working. If you trust your partner, you know this person, you really love him, you love each other. You can start by small slums. Yes. And then after that, because you have known each other, you just go into to marriage, and that's all. It is working actually. I have like several friends who have done it. They started from a boyfriend girlfriend relationship. Now they are billionaires. Yes. Maybe Kevin is talking of investing maybe in doing her hair monthly, giving her girlfriend allowance, of which that is normal. That is normal to give your person money to do whatever she wants. If you are talking, Kevin, if you are talking of that, just know that it's normal. That is normal. Then if you lose the profits, don't come crying down it. But these are people who know each other. Those are people who know, like when you see someone investing in someone, when you see a person investing in someone, maybe he has seen something special in this person. So sometimes you know that sometimes it's these people are God sent. Like you will support that person until you marry her. You start my small business until it becomes a big business. And then you will know that, oh, this is my wife. Yo. So it works for some people. What is normal? Are we smoking the high grade? Why not give me money for shaving? As a man, you should provide for your woman, not woman providing for you. Maybe not unless you are not working, you are sick. That's when like your woman can do all those things. But even the Bible says that man should provide. Man is the head of the family. So it means that if your wife is giving this, you are giving this. The other day we were talking about the 50-50. Now that marriage becomes, it's no longer a marriage. It's two men in the house. There are laws too, at least here in US. Legal marriages gives each party certain rights. Okay. But yet yeah, it's different. Yeah, it's different. She's a girlfriend for Christ's sake. For Christ's sake, but you need to, like, it's not like providing for her fully, but just making your girl look good. Just making your girl look good. Do you know that sometimes you men forget that when your woman is outside there, she is representing you. When your woman is out there, she is presenting you. The way you treat her, the way like you guys behave, yeah, outside, it tells a lot. It tells a lot. Then don't complain in the house chores and giving me. We talked the other day. You want me to repeat it again? You want me to, I'm giving you your jacket next week. When it comes to house chores, if you are both working, remember you get home tired. There are kids in the house. You need to help each other. Maybe you as a man, you show the kids homework while I'm in the kitchen. If no homework, you just come and help me in the kitchen. Okay? Yes, that's like one thing you should know, that I don't know why men forget about this. Your wife is not your maid. Your wife is not your maid. Your wife is your partner. Your wife is just a partner. She's not your maid. She's not your maid. Rights you don't have if you are not married. Oh, so if in US, if we are not married, you are not supposed to invest in me. Like, you can try to buy me a big, nice car. You can buy me land. So US, it's different. Okay. Na yenyewe napoteanga. We unapoteanga ukienda wapi sasa? Kwanza uko aje? Casey, how have you been? Casey, how have you been? Most young women in Middle East class, yeah, have to work even with children. You see now? Because these men don't want to take their responsibility. They just want women to be their maid. Let me tell you one thing. Providing for your woman, giving her everything in the house while you are not helping her, it's nothing. She wants to see your effort in this marriage. You have just given me everything, and you go and sit at the couch watching TV, movies, and all that, while I'm struggling with the kids and the kitchen at the same time. No, man. But if it's someone who loves you, my dear, even you will be having conversation, stories in the kitchen and all that. If you guys, you love each other, that is. But for bills is where you draw the line. Mnajipeanga mafuta sana. Definitely. Joseph, let me tell you one thing. If you allow your woman to pay bills 50 in the house, that is not married. That is not your wife. You are just two men in the house. And that's why you will find that with time, that marriage won't work. With time, that marriage won't work. Why? Because that woman will be like, I'm contributing 50 and this person is contributing. So what is the difference? I am not the wife. We are just two men in the house. Okay? Yes. But if she wants to help maybe with doing shopping, that is kitchen, it's okay. There is no problem. She is willing to, if she has the money. But let's say, for example, like you are earning more than her, and you expect her to pay the 50-50. And maybe you are earning, let's say, like she is earning 20%, you are earning 70%, or 80%. If you don't provide that 100% or 90%, it means that you are providing for another woman there outside. My daughter is 37. with 3 children, and she is the one who works and her husband takes care of the children, but it's not working out well. So the husband does not work. But I think, let me tell you one thing. One thing, can you tell your daughter to come on this live? Me, I'm not a marriage counselor, but I'm not a marriage counselor, but hey, if the lady is working, if your daughter is working and the husband is staying with the kids at home, you are maybe the husband has no job because of several reasons. Then your daughter should respect this man. The man is taking good care of the kids. Okay, so leaving these 3 kids with the man, it means that there was a conversation in between. So your daughter should respect the man and the man respect your daughter. I don't know if I'm making sense. If you see a man being left at home with 3 kids, you know how kids are if you are a parent. So you need to respect that man. I'm telling you. Just support the man until he gets the kind of work. Our kids are 6, 7, and 8. You can see these are 2 little kids, and the age of these kids is not easy to stay with at home. One is doing this, the other one is doing this. When you check on this one, the other one is doing that. You know, you understand? Yes. Amazing. That's amazing. That's a supportive husband. That's a supportive husband, staying with the kids at home, cooking for them when the wife is at work, because this guy maybe lost his job and other things. We don't understand. We need to give that man flowers. We need to give that man flowers. Not a lot of men can be left with the kids at home. Any other question, guys? Any other question? Any other question? Check if you have liked the live. Check if you have subscribed. Yes. Joseph, are we together? Kevin, I think your network is very poor, because right now you are responding. You are talking of investing in your girl and all. It's all about money. It will depend the kind of money. Maybe you are giving her like 10,000 a month. What will 10,000 do a month, honestly? If you're talking of money, talk of maybe millions. Talk of thousands. It's not just small money. Giving her maybe 200, 300, 1,000. Until you give us evidence of the money you are spending on her. That's when we can support your idea. Yes, money can cause problem. A lot of big problems. Big problems. I think, Kevin, it's like you are busy, or maybe your network is poor, because right now I'm just seeing your comment now. So if you have invested money in her, it will depend. Julius or Sam. Hey, I love you. I love you too, my love. How are you? And where are you watching me, Julius? Where are you watching me from, Julius? Unexpressed expectation too. Yes. Don't talk of. Do you think? Let me tell you one thing. Men think that when they give a girl money to do hair, to do nails, and all that, they think that maybe they have done a lot to them. not knowing that these things the girl maybe can do it for herself. You know that a lot of women feel so good when men do a lot, like when men do things to them. Even if you are a woman and you are here, just tell me how you have your own money, but your boyfriend or your husband gives you money even without asking. They always feel good. Let me tell you one thing. They always feel so good. One woman mentioned Jambo beautiful. Jambo kwaje. How are you? Julius was watching me from Nigeria. Thank you so much, my darling. How is Nigeria? We have Okinyi. Hello, Okinyi. How are you, my love? So I was waiting for someone to respond. I will donate 100K. No problem. No problem, my dear. Just donate. Maybe Julius maybe knows Father Oluomba sermon on love. Can you tell us if you know that, Father? You know, Mare Mare. You know, Nigeria is so big. It has got a lot of states. So it will depend with the state. It will depend with the state. Another question. But Tinumbu is what? I don't know. Let's continue. Let's continue. I listen to ESFB sermon every Sunday. He's in Abuja. Abuja. Julius, do you know Abuja? You know what? Tell us, Julius. Tell us, Julius. Tell us something, Julius. We always feel good when we get money from our men. Okay. You see now, Jacqueline is confessing. So, even if your woman is working, even if your woman has got money, just give her money. Make her happy. You know, women love money. Make her happy. Are we together, Kelvin? Are we together, Kevin? Are we together, Mr. Kelvin? Are we together? Oh, listening. I'm happy that you are listening. I'm happy that you are listening. I am happy that you are listening and I love it. Any other question, guys? Any other question before we head the live? Another question before we end the live? Any other question before we end the live? Those who are joining right now, welcome. Like the live, subscribe if it's your first time. And also, Kevin, another thing you need to know about if this person is really worthy to invest in. Number one, she has to show respect to you. She has to be honest. She has to be loyal. She has to support your goals. Adumani, hi. Thank you so much. Are we together? Also, another thing, she has what? Also, she has her own values, her own vision, and all that. Also, she should not be a dramatic person. She must be someone who brings peace in your life. Ebenezer, hi Claudia Works. Hi, my love. How are you, Ebenezer? How is everything over there? And where are you watching Claudia from? Where are you watching Claudia Works from? I hope we are together up to there. So, investing in a person, you should know the kind of person you are investing in. Don't invest in someone that you know he or she is not serious with you. We have Biohazard Puppet. Hello, my love. How are you doing? Thank you so much. I'm happy to see you here. Hi. Hi, my darling. All the way from Nigeria. It's been a while. Amazing, amazing. It's been a while since I saw you here. How have you been? How is Nigeria, my love? How is everything? How is everything over there? Miss you, sweet. How is you? Ismail, I miss you too. I missed you too. I missed you too. It's been a while. I'm happy to see you here. I'm okay. What about you? What about you, my darling? Jen is going. Jen is going. Ah, that's nice. That's amazing. That's amazing. So, Kevin, I hope we are together. Okay. So if you want to cheat on your girlfriend, please stop and go talk to your girlfriend. Don't cheat on her. I know those are temptations. Maybe there is something you did wrong, and maybe you can correct it. You can correct it. Trust me. Go sit down with your girlfriend and talk. I'm good. I'm happy that you're doing well, Ismail. I'm happy that you're doing okay. Another question? Another question, my darlings. I from Singapore. Hi, darling, from Kenya. How are you? How is Singapore? How is Singapore? When is your birthday? My birthday is on Tuesday. My birthday is on Tuesday, 17th. My birthday is on Tuesday, 17th. Thank you for those who are joining right now. Welcome. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe. Feel at home. Welcome to the family. Yes. Let's continue supporting this amazing channel to the next level. Remember, our target is to get to 10,000 subscribers. Yes, I would love to come there, my baby. I want to come there. Singapore is just a nice country. Telesia Joel, hi. Wow, happy birthday in advance, St. Patrick's Day. Thank you so much, my darling. But we will be here. We will be here. Okay? I'll celebrate it with you here. Thank you. Thank you. Any other question, guys, before we end the live? Another question? About changing your country into Singapore, how's that? You know it can't. Barabara za kwenda Singapore viongozi wamekula. Barabara za kwenda Singapore viongozi wamekula. You heard that song? Because we were trying to go to Singapore, but they hate all the money. Corrupt leaders. My son's birthday is Wednesday, the 18th. Oh, happy birthday to him. Happy birthday. I'll sing a birthday to him. Gigi Cats. Hi, are you a Nigerian? No, I'm a Kenyan. I'm a Kenyan. I see. Yes. I'm a Kenyan, my love. Where are you watching me from? Give us more 30 minutes. You know, it's 11. 1 minute to 11. 1 minute to 11 p.m. here in Kenya. Another question, guys. Thank you so much for those who are joining right now. Welcome. Feel at home. No work tomorrow. Even if there is no work tomorrow, I need to rest, man. Even if no work tomorrow, I need to rest. I need to rest. Good night to you too, my love. Do you need a passport to go to Nigeria? Yes, me as a Kenyan, I need a passport to go to Nigeria. A valid one. Thank you so much for those who are joining. Let's subscribe, continue liking. Yes, I need a valid passport. And also a Nigerian visa. Is it a visa and a yellow card and also a return ticket and also accommodation? Yes, you need to have. Is it funders? Funders? Hello. Your name is always hard to pronounce. Gigi, it's 4 p.m. for me. Where are you watching me from, my darling? Where are you watching me from? Hello, funders. Funders. Hey. Anyway, I hope I pronounce it correctly out of those 4 or 5 pronunciation. Yeah, you need a passport, eh? A valid one. Del Baptiste, how are you? How are you, my love? I'm in America, United States. Wow, I'm happy to see you here and welcome to this amazing channel. Feel at home. We have Albanas Macau. Hi, Albanas, uko aje? Wilata. Aha, we have Magic Gasa, Claudia. Hi, hi, my darling. How are you? Yes, it's cost. Amazing. It's cost. Amazing. I'm happy to meet you all here. You are so amazing. And I'm happy that today I'm meeting different people. Hey, and new people. That's so good. Magic Gas, where are you watching me from? Gigi Cats. Yes, yes. Doing great. You? Doing okay. I'm doing okay. I'm in lawyer. Hi. I'm in lawyer. Where? That's how it's supposed to be. Definitely, yes. Your hair is so pretty. Thank you. Thank you so much, my love. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Yes. Watching from South Africa. How is South Africa? How is South Africa? Such an amazing country. How is South Africa? Those who are joining right now, welcome. And also, don't forget to subscribe if you are new here. Welcome to the family. Love your eyes. Thank you. Thank you. I will lawyer. How have you been? Where have you been now? I subscribed. Thank you so much. Gigi Cats, I can't wait to be meeting you here every day. Bring the questions, guys. Today we have talked about something that Kevin had given us, and yes, and several 1, 2, 3 questions. Now, bring your question. You are in Massachusetts. Massachusetts. Have I pronounced it well? Thank you so much. Magic Gasa, South Africa is chilled. Amazing. I can't wait to come to South Africa. Such an amazing country like Kenya. Those who are joining right now, welcome. Bring all those questions, guys. Bring all those questions. Bring all those questions, guys. Very cold. So you have not entered springtime. You have not entered the spring season. All it's ever called. All it's ever called. Let us know. Yes, very cold. The snow finally melted. That's amazing. That's amazing. I'm happy for you. Are you in school? Are you in school, Claudia? Yes, I'm in school. I'm still a children. I'm still a student. You are just gorgeous. That's all I have to say. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Spring just started, but it's still cold. Oh, I'm praying that the cold goes away very, very, very quick. I know you are missing the next weather. I know you have been missing the next weather. Nana Yummy, your country, Kenya. Kenya, my dear. What are you studying? I'm studying many things. I'll text you on Facebook or on Instagram to tell you what I'm studying. I don't have to come here and tell everyone what I'm doing with my life. Nice. And Nana, where are you watching me from? Nana, where are you watching me from? Are you over 18 though? I'm turning 16 next week on Tuesday. Magic Gasa. I'm turning 16 next week on Tuesday. That will be on my birthday. Or you are not in high school. Me, I'm not in high school. I already finished high school, university, I'm working, and I'm still furthering my studies. 16. No, I'm kidding. You know, I'm not turning 16, but I'm always sweet 16. Is your hair micro lock all braids? I want that style. These are sister locks, These are locks, sister locks. These are sister locks. You're watching me from United States. That's amazing. You're 16 years old. No, I am not 16. I'm just kidding. Police. No, no, no. Furthering your studies, sweetness, and beauty. Definitely. That's what we are focusing on nowadays. Yes. So, whoever is asking about the my hair, these are sister locks. They are so light. They are so easy to manage, and they are so good. I just feel like I will stay with them like forever. Nice smile. Thank you. Oh, sister locks are nice. Yes, they are nice. I just love them. My head is so light. I don't have to stress every morning when I wake up combing my hair, blah blah. I just have to hold it, to hold the hair in a style, and then I spray, and then I go to work. Sister locks are very expensive. Yes, they are. Yeah, they are very expensive here in Kenya. Doing them. Like mine took like 4 hours to do. I was sitting like 4 hours to do them. They are so nice. They will take your time, but you can't regret. You can't regret after doing them. They are so lovely on you. Thank you. I need a simple style. I have too much hair on to manage. Just do sister locks. They are the best. Actually, I personally have been struggling to do my hair. Like, I am not that kind of a person. I have to go to salon to sit for 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. No, I needed to do something. Something for like how many like for something that will last. I was reading some comment. Kanab, hi my love, how are you doing? The locks look really nice. Does it take long to have them done? Mine took 4 hours. Mine took 4 good hours to do them. But remember, they will just last for how many years? I can say with them the time I want. If it's 5 years, 10 years, forever, I can stay with them. 4 hours, wow, but they keep for a long time, right? Yes, yes. How are you, Kanab? Guys, I'm 30 and I'll sit here to see what the 16-year-old discuss. Definitely, you have to. I'm still children. I'm still children. Yes, I'm still children. How much? You know, Henry, it's expensive, and you're asking. Mine, I did them at 25,000 Kenyan shillings. That is around $200. $200. I paid 25,000 Kenyan shillings. Kevin, why are you asking that? You want to refund the money? Maybe I can ask my sister to do that for my hair. Yes, honestly, I would recommend. They will serve you for long. They will serve you for long. Thank you for those who are joining now. Someone said I should extend with that minutes, of which I'm doing that. So in the next 15 minutes, I will be done with the live. 300. $300? No, it's 200 because I paid to convert 25,000 Kenyan shillings to US dollars. Kenyans always have beautiful skin. Do you use certain products? No, I am blessed and I thank God. No. It's not like I use some certain products. It's just the normal, just normal. I don't have like What do I have to tell you? Yes, I am blessed and I thank God. Do you want to? Okay, if you want to know the products I use, just go in and text me on Instagram. I am Claudia Works, because when I just start talking about the products I use, they think that I am advertising them for free and they might bring this thing down. I was just going to say that here in US, the salon would charge 200 plus my niece is my. Yes, you don't. If your niece is an hairdresser, you don't have to go to the salon and pay someone else to do the hair. Just give your niece that money to do your hair. Yes, we have more there. Hello, how are you? I'm from Central Africa. I am from Kenya and I'm happy to see you. How is everything? Are you a Christian? Yes, I am a Christian. The return of Jesus is in Thessalonians 4:16 to 18. You guys, you need to check the verse. Yes. You are really you are really blessed. I hope you don't take it for I always thank God. I don't take it for granted. I've never heard of Sister Locke Salon in America. I have to rely on my sister. But your sister can do it. Let me one thing you can do is that I don't know the language we use, because I always say matuta. Yeah, we say matuta. You do a small matuta, many of them in your hair. And then just keep them for the like 1 year. They will turn to Sister Locks. But anyway, you can check online. You can check online. Thank you so much for those who are joining right now. Gigi Cards, you can check online. Rich Auntie, ulinikataa. But how could I accept you? Me, I'm rich in heart. I'm rich in heart. How could I accept you and you know that YouTube is my husband? And you have been here with you every day. Duke, hi, how are you? Did you do matuta? No, I did not do matuta. The reason why I'm telling her to do that, it's because if there is no salon in America which does maybe Sister Locks, I was just giving an option. Did you check out that Whitney song? Yes, I did. I was listening it with my sister. My sister loved it. You know me, I'm not fan of music. When I want to try something new, I always call my sister near me. So that if I get bored, I'm not fan of music, but I checked it. It's so nice. It has got a nice message. Parts. Yes, small parts. The small parts. You see, like this one. You just the way you normally do it, but you do it on your hair. And then you'll be washing them, applying oil. Like 1 year, they will just turn to be like sister locks, small locks. Yes, thank you so much for understanding. I was wondering because I never saw that matuta. No, so you know matuta. That is the only word I was trying to use so that she can understand. So in Ghana, you use it, eh? In Ghana, you normally use it. Thank you so much. I hope Geek Cats, I hope now you understand what I mean. I try to mean. Yes, anything else, guys, you want to know? Your eyes, though. What's up with my eyes? What's up with my eyes? We don't use the word matuta. you know that is a Kamba word and also it's a Swahili word. So for me, I'm correct. I'm happy others are seeing what I see. Thank you. Thank you so much. Guys, we are 20. Just checking you have subscribed, you have liked. Yes, today we are doing good with the subscription, eh? Today we are doing good with subscription. We have added 30 subscribers. 30 subscribers. Thank you so much, Awin Lawyer. I have to go get dressed now. Have a blessed day. I'll be back. It's okay. Yeah, it's night, my love. It's at night. It's 17 minutes past 11. Thank you so much, Awin Lawyer. We have you have a beautiful send off till ties. Thank you. Thank you so much, darling. You're making me blush. You're making me blush. You're making me blush. But gig cats, what I know is that the reason why both the sister locks, they normally charge a lot of money here because they know that they will serve you for the longest time. That's why they charge a lot at once. So for me, I won't be spending a lot of money to do my hair. It's just about the retouch and all that. That's all. You just learned it today. You know, you're learning new things. And I like it when my fellow woman is learning. No, here you can share anything, but just make sure you have respect on it. This is our channel. We can share anything, but with respect. There are some lanes we don't cross. See you. Thank you so much, Biri. How much is 2,500 shillings in dollars? That's around divide by 100. 20, 21, $22 American dollars. American dollars, that will be around 21. It will depend with the rate, the exchange rate. Ooh. Yes. You are blessed. Thank you. I always thank God for the blessings. Just small blessing. You know me, I don't stress myself. I just I take things easy. Thank you so much. We are at 18. Let's continue liking, subscribing. It says I come to Kenya or you come to South Africa because we have a book to write. No problem. Come to Kenya. Come to magical Kenya. We wrote that book. Come to Kenya, we write the book, my love. Come to Kenya, we write that book, my love. Come to Kenya, we write the book. Drop a pin, it's okay, no problem. Immediately after this, I'll drop the pin. Also, guys, before I forget, just go and follow me on Instagram. Remember, we are trying to, as we grow YouTube, we also need to grow the Instagram account. My name is Claudia Walks. The same name here, Claudia Walks on Instagram. And guys, remember that we have 6 minutes and then we end the live. 6 minutes and we end the live. I go to the students at cosmetology school here. Wow. They do everything for free because here in cosmetology schools, they will call people to come. Maybe if you want to do your hair, you just come with the braids and they will do it for free. Guys, you will just heard she called me my love. Oh my God. Beautiful beautiful girl. Love you so much. Thank you so much. I love you too, Elnest. I'm just using your last digit because your name is so hard for me. Uh-huh. So she is taken. No problem. You guys, you are so funny. You are so funny and amazing at the same time. Check, guys, if you have subscribed. Check if you have liked the live. We have Patrick. Patrick, hi. We have, yeah, not free, but big discounts because they are learning. Yes. Same applies to here. Same applies to here in Kenya. Guys, check if you have subscribed, if you have liked the live. Yeah, let me go and read down. I need you from Kigali, Rwanda. You need me? I am here. I am here. How is Kigali, Rwanda? How is Kigali, Rwanda? How is Kigali, Rwanda? Any question, guys, before we go to sleep? We all need a bro. So you're saying that everyone needs me here? Hey, my God. But you guys, you are my husbands. No need to worry. I got you all. I got you all. Rwanda is far. South Africa is close by. I'm coming to both countries very soon. Patrick, hi. How are you, Patrick? You guys go and follow me on Instagram. We want to grow that Instagram account. From next month, I'll be posting a lot of things there. So don't be missing. What time are you going to church tomorrow? I should be there at 8 a.m. I attend the first mass at 8 a.m. So, yes, I thought Rwanda is closer. Those guys are our cousin here. They are nearby. No problem, Patrick. Thank you. My sister is ready to send you number on WhatsApp. The good thing I am not on WhatsApp. That's the good thing is that I am not on WhatsApp. I am on Instagram. I am on Instagram. Claudia Walks. That's where you can get me. That's the only place you can get me. Claudia Walks on Instagram. Just go and say, hi. Yes, so Mare Hol Mea Mea. I don't know if the way I'm pronouncing your name. Very early in the morning. So that when I get there, maybe when I get out of the church, maybe 9:30, 10, I get to do my own things. So, yeah. So, guys, any other question before we go to sleep? Any other question before we go to sleep? Any other question before we go to sleep? Because we are ending the live in few minutes. In the next 1, 2, or less minutes. So guys, see you tomorrow on the live. Remember, tomorrow is on Sunday. Most of the time I don't go live on Sundays, but tomorrow I have to go live. My name is Mary, but my mom used to call me. It's okay, I'll be calling you Berry. I'll be calling you Berry. Okay, my love, good night. Good night to you, my darling. Mike, hi love. Hi, my darling. How are you, Mike? How is everything? When are you going to introduce me to your pastor? No, we don't have a pastor. Me, I'm a Catholic. I am a Catholic. I go to a Catholic church. Hayden Saudas, hi my love, how are you doing? Where are you watching me from? Good night, dear. Good night to you too, my darling. I'm a Catholic too. Amazing, amazing, amazing. That's so nice. That's so amazing. Those who are joining right now, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you. I've just turned to a Catholic too. It's okay, no problem, my dear. More minutes. Hey, you guys, you want me to stay here till tomorrow? You want me to stay here till tomorrow? Don't end the live. Don't end the live. Catholic is a branch of Christianity. Catholic is a branch of Christianity, my dear. Catholic is a branch of... Because of Claudia, people are converting to be Catholics. Oh, then I am a Catholic. Oh, amazing. Even you. Even you. Let's continue asking questions. Check out Father Oloma Sunday someone and tell me what you think. I think he's very gifted. Please, I'll check. What's up, Magic Gasa? What's up? Where have we reached? Someone asked what's a Catholic. Wow. I said that Catholic is a branch of Christianity in the world. Actually, it's the largest. And then someone said that I am a Catholic too. So then some person said that he is a Catholic too. So yes, just know that it's a branch of Christianity. The world is changing. It definitely is changing, and it's changing very fast. It's changing very fast. Changing very fast. Any other question, guys? Someone said that don't end the live, and another one is saying that give us more minutes. Guys, I'm supposed to go to sleep. I'm supposed to go to sleep. We need a private life. I need to learn more about Catholic. No, you need me to teach me. You need me to teach you more about the Catholic. Just go and Google. When are you coming back live? I am here, and tomorrow I'll be here the same time. Okay. Capital Cloud9. Wewe ni mtu wa. How are you? Wewe ni mtu wa kupiga shele. Niaje unajua Cloud9? Niaje unajua Cloud9 pale Mombasa Road? Yes, tomorrow same time will be live. Capital. How do you know Cloud9? Cloud9 is a place. I'm well. How are you, woman? I am okay, darling. How is everything? Are you at Cloud9? Are you at Cloud9? Ah, are you at Cloud9? But your husband is here, don't go. YouTube is my husband. So YouTube is my husband. So once I live here, we live together. I'm just looking at Cloud9 just as I speak. Where are you checking it? Where are you checking it? Yeah, I'm here. You guys, you're so funny. You are so funny. You are so funny. Where are you from? I'm from Kenya. Kenya, I'm in Nairobi. Yes, I'm in Nairobi. And you, where are you watching me from? Where are you watching me from? Where are you watching me from? Thank you for those who are joining. Check if you have subscribed. Check if you have liked the live. Yes, and also those who are going to sleep, let's meet tomorrow, same time. We are from Kenya, Nairobi. Yes, we are from Kenya, Nairobi. I know the place. So you know the place. When mtu wa kupiga sherehe, partying people, Capital and Gitau. You guys, you know, you like partying. And I'm from Jupiter. Sawa. If you are from Jupiter, it's okay. That's so good. Even if you come from the Mars, from Neptune, no problem. No problem, guys. Can we end the live now? If there is no any other question, can we end the live now and then we meet tomorrow? Tomorrow, same time, eh? No, not the same time. Wait a minute. Tomorrow, remember, the day after tomorrow will be on Monday. And I don't like interfering with Monday, waking up late and all that, sleeping late. So tomorrow will be at 8 p.m. live. Tomorrow live will be at 8 p.m. Kenyan time. So don't miss. You better put that notification bell. You better put that notification bell so that you don't miss. So guys, can we see each other tomorrow? You have a good night. Magic Gasa, see each other tomorrow. You know we need to go to sleep, okay? So see you tomorrow, not same time, but we'll go early at 8 p.m. Yes, don't forget to subscribe, to like the live, and also to watch my previous videos. And also, what else? You are still in school, don't worry about Monday. It's okay. I know you got me anyway. So have a good night, good morning, good evening, good afternoon from where you're watching me from. Just know that Claudia Works loves you so much. And don't forget that we are family. We are family. Good morning from Singapore. Good evening. I can see people are joining. We have Tunai Ganya Hamon. Hi, Amon. We have don't be late in bed. Thank you so much. I have to learn our Father prayer in Swahili to recite with Jad and the kids. Baba yetu uliye mbinguni, jina lako litukuzwe, ufalme wako ufike, utakalo lifanyike duniani kama mbinguni. Utupe leo mkate wetu wa kila siku, utusamehe makosa yetu kama tunavyowasamehe na sisi waliotukosea, usitutie katika kishawishi, lakini utuokoe maovuni. Amina. Yes, that's how it goes in Swahili. Hi, how are you? So guys, if you want to sleep, just go and sleep. See you tomorrow at 8 p.m. So Mary, that's how it goes in Swahili. You need to learn. Just did you just say you love me? You guys, you know I have to love you. You guys, you know I have to love you. You are my personal persons. I love your nails. And I love your smile. Sorry. Thank you. May you could say it slowly tomorrow so I can practice. I'll say it tomorrow, so don't miss. It's a prayer that I've recited in Swahili, and Mary wanted to know it Swahili. So tomorrow I'll teach you. So guys, bye for now, and I love you. I love you so much. I don't take your support for granted. So see you tomorrow, lovies.